Hi guys, today we are looking into this Rybozen 4-port USB 3.0 switch. So it's not a full-size KVM, so we don't have the V actually, it's not supporting video. But the big thing here is that we can control up to 4 different PCs with just one set of keyboard, mouse, and then we have 2 additional ports where we can use other USB device like a printer or USB stick or other stuff. So a really interesting device. So I'm going to take it out of the box for you, connect it to my PCs, and then show you how this works in real life. So here we are with these 4 devices, 4 PC USB switch. You can see how we can work with this one here. And by the way, it comes also with a remote control, and it doesn't only support slow USB 2.0 but the fast USB 3.0. So let's open the box and see what we get. Here's the switch with the remote control, and here underneath we find these 4 USB cables which we need to connect up to 4 PCs to this USB switch. The good thing is we need only one USB cable to connect it to each PC, because they can transfer everything, all the information, like from the mouse, from keyboard, from the USB stick, printer, whatever you want to put into this USB switch. And the set comes even with an additional USB-C cable, which we can use here in the bag to connect and power this switch. Usually the connector PCs should deliver enough power to this switch to power all these devices here on this side, but if it's not enough, you can use the USB-C cable. And the USB-A male-to-male cables are really solid, very thick, strong and long enough. So we plug in one USB cable here in the bag for every PC, and then we connect them to the computers. Also, of course, one here on this side. And then we are ready to connect mouse and keyboard and USB sticks and printers and everything here from the front. And then we can use this selector switch 1 to 4 to control the individual PCs. And through the red indicator light, you can see easily with which computer you are connected. Now you are connected to number 1 here on the left side. You can see me moving the mouse pointer here, and also I can type here on this keyboard, and you can see the input here. And then we are pressing number 2 and we are switching to the right side. Just takes about 1 or 2 seconds and then it's ready. And also we see instantly the content of the USB stick here. That's really nice. Same thing, of course, on the left side. When we click it back to the left side, it will automatically open the content of the USB stick. And of course, also when we are on the second PC, we can use the mouse here, as you can see, and we can use this keyboard to start typing here. And so we could also control up to 4 PCs in the same way. Of course, it's not a full-size KVM. We don't have the V for the monitor for the video, so we cannot use an extra monitor to see the content here. This works only when we want to control 2 individual PCs with 1 keyboard and 1 mouse, and share even additional devices with 2 full-size PCs which have their own monitor. But it could be anything, doesn't have to be like laptops, could be full-size computers, mini PCs, could be normal Windows, Mac OS or Linux. And if you don't want to have this controller all the time here, you can use the remote control. We just pull out this battery protector here. And now you can see we are on number 2. We can switch to number 1 now using this remote control. And it has already happened. And we can see opening the USB stick here. Of course, it's infrared, so here we have the transmitter, here the receiver, so it has to be somehow in contact. You cannot put this like in a drawer or so. But I would say a really nice device, works absolutely awesome, very reliable. We have even the USB 3.0. So if you don't have the need to share the device of these computers on one single screen, this could be the perfect device for you. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.